I'm quite excited right now. We had our 2 bike rides, and eventually the 26-inch bike so doesn't fit. Hope she likes it, and she'll get surprised when I get home her the new bike. Catch you later. So I'm headed back home. Just recently got the new bike, so there she goes. And I just hope that she likes it. So later you'll see the reaction video and it's not a total surprise at all. She probably knows it, so I just really hope she likes the color, the way she fits it. So she'll have a quick try, probably just a few meters, just to try it out and get the hang of it. And she still got lots of baking stuff to do, so I hope she gets excited for our next bike ride. And we'll get another video for that. So for now, I just want to wrap up this biking adventure with my wife that she found interesting, and she said that she loved it. Hopefully that we can continue on with this sports activity, and it's our bonding, and it's our time together having an exercise as well. So there you go. So I'm home, I'm outside, and gonna be taking out and I'm going to reassemble it and bring it in one piece. So just stay there. So here's the finished product. So right now I'm gonna go inside and surprise her. I hate these dogs. I think she got surprised. I think so.
Yay!
Now we'll have to try.
Balik na tayo. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Jason. For what?
Thank you for watching, and see you on our next video. Bye bye.